Another simple one pot meal using eggplants. I'm going to show you how to do stuffed eggplant rings. For this recipe I'm using 2 medium size eggplants with 1 carrot, few spring onions or green onions, some chilies, always optional, 50 grams flour, 2 eggs and 1 sausage. I'm using chorizo, half a teaspoon of garlic powder with half a teaspoon of stock powder, vegetable stock powder, enough salt and pepper to your taste. So let's start. First let's cut the ends of the eggplant and the top, discard, and then the rings about 1.5 centimeters thick. After, cut the eggplant like this and take the flesh out. Leave about half a centimeter flesh around. Right, I'm going to put this into salted water. After, cut the eggplants into small pieces. Put that into salted water too. After, let's cut the green chilies, spring onions, the carrot, cut it into small cubes. Now the sausages. After, squeeze the eggplants thoroughly to get the salted water out, and then add the spring onion, carrot and the sausages. Instead of sausages you can add fish or even meat. And the other thing is, if you are doing a keto diet, omit the flour from this recipe and add eggs. Now add the garlic stock powder, salt and pepper. Break the eggs into it and mix. Now add the flour bit by bit. Don't add at once. Now it's ready. Let's do the recipe. Into a pan, add some oil. You can do this in the oven too, on a tray, and put the rings and fill with the vegetable mix like this. Press and make sure to control the heat. You should cook this on a very low heat because it needs to cook the outside ring. After a few minutes, make sure to turn it upside down and cook on both sides until golden brown. I turned all of them upside down. Now I am going to cook on both sides again, turning a few times. They are ready. Always cook on both sides until golden brown and serve directly from the pan, or put them into the oven to take it whenever you want. I'll cut one to show you. It's really nice meal. You can do this for dinner, lunch or even for breakfast. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.